मेरे भाइयों, इस टाइम पे एक बहुत बड़ा आइडियोलॉजिकल क्लैश चल रहा है, बहुत ही बड़ा आइडियोलॉजिकल क्लैश। और ये आइडियोलॉजिकल क्लैश सिर्फ हिंदुत्व का नहीं है, व्हाइट सुपरमेसिस्ट का भी है, एक कम्युनिज्म का भी है और एक इस्लाम का भी एक शुरू हुआ है। हम इस बात को कहना चाहते हैं, अगर आप आइडियोलॉजी पे बिलीव करते हैं जो हिंदुत्व कहते हैं, तो हमें इस बात को साफ तौर से रखना पड़ेगा कि अपनी बात, अपना सोशल, इकोनॉमिक और पॉलिटिकल कंस्ट्रक्ट हमारे सामने रखो। अगर हिम्मत है तो हमें इस बात पे बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं करना तुम्हारी जो तुम इस तरह से विच हंट कर रहे हो। अगर दम है तुम्हारी बातों में तो हमारे सामने लाकर रखो इस बात को, हम भी सुनेंगे और अगर हमें पसंद आएगा तो हम लेंगे, नहीं तो हम रिजेक्ट करेंगे इस चीज को।
बहुत बढ़िया बात। अब मैं रमीज भाई से चाहता हूँ अपनी बात को रखें आगे।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
So we all know what happened in IIT Madras. So I just wanted to point out what's going on in the most of the prestigious universities like IITs, in IFLO, in JNU, most of the central universities. It is very clear that how the university, how the administration, how the faculties, how the university atmosphere is targeting the Muslim students in these different campuses. Earlier, the suicide of Mudassir Kamran in IFLO, that has led to lots of protesters, and that told us how the administration is treating Muslim students in IFLO. And recently, the incident of Najib happened in JNU, how a student forced to disappear from a university, and that has been told us how even the progressive universities like JNU is treating the Muslim students. Now, what happened to Fatima in IIT Madras? So, what I want to point out is that it is very clear that how the universities, how the institutions, especially after the Modi regime, how the universities are treating Muslim students in these universities. So it's very clear that how the Islamophobia is working in these universities and these spaces. And we want to clearly say that these left morons, how these left morons are saying that this is not the Muslim issue, and they want to teach us that don't talk about Islamophobia. We will talk about Islamophobia.
Definitely.
If these issues happening because she is a Muslim, we will talk about Islamophobia.
Down Islamophobia!
Down Islamophobia!
Down Islamophobia!
Down Brahmanism!
Down Brahmanism!
Down Brahmanism!
Down Brahmanism!
Islam Zindabad!
Zindabad! Zindabad!
The same left people, they said that the Najib issue is nothing about Muslim issue, but when we said that it's a Muslim issue, that's because he got beaten by ABVP people and he got disappeared from the university because he is a Muslim. When we asserted, they came in our line, so in the same manner, we have to assert what happened to the Fatima Nafisa in IIT. We have to claim our political question. We have to raise our political question. Nobody else, no left, no right, no Congress, no secular party, nobody is going to raise our issue. We have to raise our issue. We have to organize ourselves. That is the thing I want to say. Thank you, Amasaf. Thank you for the organization.
साथियों, हम वो लोग हैं जो अल्लामा को मानते हैं, मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर को मानते हैं, कायदे मिल्लत मौलाना मोहम्मद इस्माइल को मानते हैं। और हमें एक बात बता दे, जरूरी समझता हूँ यहाँ पर कि JNU के अंदर और जो प्रोग्रेसिव लोग हैं जो इस्लाम को नकारते हैं, जब भी हम ये बात कहते हैं कि सारी चीजें इस्लाम के खिलाफ हो रही हैं, तो वो लोग जो आपकी भीड़ चाहते हैं सिर्फ, लेकिन वो इस्लामी फोबिया की बात नहीं करते। वो ये कहने से बचते हैं, इस्लाम का नाम लेने से बचते हैं। मैं पहले बता देना चाहता हूं, पहले हमारी आइडेंटिटी मुसलमान की है, हम इस्लाम को मानने वाले हैं और हम उससे कभी पीछे नहीं हट सकते जिंदगी में इंशाअल्लाह ताला। हमारी पहली आइडेंटिटी यही है। तो जिसको लगता हो इस्लामोफोबिया वो लगे, हम अपनी आइडेंटिटी इंशाअल्लाह ताला अपने पूरे होशो आवाज के अंदर और पूरे खुशी के साथ बताते हैं।
इस्लाम जिंदा
जिंदा है,
इस्लाम जिंदा
जिंदा है,
इस्लाम जिंदा
जिंदा है। और ये सारी चीजें हमारे साथ इसलिए हो रही हैं क्योंकि लोग इस्लाम से नफरत करते हैं, इस्लाम से नफरत करते हैं, इसलिए मुसलमानों को टारगेट करते हैं। इस चीज को खत्म करना है। इसके बाद मैं अपने नेक्स्ट स्पीकर सुगतुल्लाह भाई को बुलाना चाहता हूँ अपनी बात को।
Assalamualaikum. We all have gathered for Fatima Latif, who have been institutionally murdered in IIT. My friend Luis mentioned it very clearly. What is the question is? So what I want to say is, today we are here to assert our political question. We know this bloody secular academia will problematize our beard, our skull cap, and it is a secular burden. But we are not here to compromise our izzat. We have always carried our izzat to the head. We are remembering our forefathers at this moment. We are inspired from Ali Musliar. We are inspired from Badr. We are inspired by Uhud, and we are inspired by Handak. This secular academy and Brahmins cannot burn us. We are the community who overcame a historical trauma. We are the community who overcame the violence that happened over the partition. So today we are here to assert the political question and raise the question of Fatima Latif. You know, the bloody SFI of DU are denying our political subjectivity. That is also called Islamophobia. This is Islamophobia, fellow people. These red morons always will come as a mediator. We are here to say we don't need any Brahmanic red mediators. We are enough with your political mediation. We are here with Izzat, and we will assert this. This is Islamophobia and Brahmanism. This Brahmanic red will not assert our question. We Muslims and Dalits coming from the margins of this nation will assert our questions, raise our political question, and establish this. Ambedkar is Zinda! Zinda hai! Periyar is Zinda! Zinda hai! Down, down Brahmanism! Down, down Brahmanism! Fatima Latif is Zinda! Zinda hai! Ambedkar is Zinda! Zinda hai! Jai Bhim! Assalamu alaikum! Allahu Akbar!
अब इसके बाद मुबशिर को बुलाना चाहता हूँ। वक्त कम है, अपनी जो है थोड़ी मुख्तसर बात रखते हैं।
Very sad moment. One of our sister is not with us. Just because of the Brahmanical hegemony is trying to steer away the Muslim identity. They want to subjugate the Muslims' arise or the enlightenment into the grave. She's in the grave just because we were silent. She's in the grave because we were more spectators of what happened in the history. She's in grave, or our sisters in future are going to face this trauma just because we are mute and we are saying nothing and we are responseless this day. So this is time. Rise.